Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the FMC and confirming bus status. Once the CDU boots, open the init page and enter flight number and route. You will input origin, destination, planned alternates, and runways. Do this now so the system can calculate lateral navigation. Make sure to enter gross weight, fuel on board, and takeoff configuration. These feed VNAV performance. If the FMC asks for cost index or cruise altitude, enter planned values. This lets the system compute efficient speeds and climb profiles. Once the initial data is stored, open the FLT PLN and insert your full route including SIDs or direct waypoints. You must review and insert any mandatory airways. You will then move to perf pages to set cruise altitude, cost index, and any step climbs. This configures VNAV. Make sure to verify lateral legs on the legs page and check crossing constraints and altitude restrictions. Activate the flight plan and use the preview function to confirm the active route before taxiing. You now activate the plan and ensure the autopilot and flight director are set to the correct NAV source. Engage LNAV and VNAV when stable on rollout and after takeoff. During flight, monitor FMS guidance against primary flight instruments, update fuel and progress entries, and adjust if ATC assigns deviations. If the FMC displays a scratch pad or route error, clear the message. Re-enter the affected waypoint or load raw data from the radio nav. If unresolved, use standby nav.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.